Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. 3 Bitcoin price metrics August September 10% pump market the final cycle bottom. Is the BTC bottom finally in? Data suggests the bears might be losing their tight grip on the market. The correlation between Bitcoin or BTC and stock market has been unusually high since mid-March, meaning the two asset classes have present near identical directional movement. This data might explain why the 10% rally above $21 is being dismissed by most traders, especially considering S&P 500 futures gained 4% in 2 days. However, Bitcoin trading activity and the derivative market strongly support the reason against. Curiously, the current Bitcoin rally happened a day after the White House Office of Science the Technology Policy released a report investigating the energy usage associated with digital assets. The study recommends enforcing energy reliability and efficiency standard. It also suggests federal agency profit technical incentive initiate a collaborative process with the industry. Notice how the peaks and valleys on both cards tend to coincide, but the correlation changes as investor perception and risk assessment vary over time. For example, between 2021 and 2022, the correlation was inverted most of the period. Overall, the stock market posted steady gains while the crypto market collapsed. More importantly, the chart above saw a hook gap being opened between Bitcoin and the stock market as stock rallied from mid-July to mid-August. A comparison using the same scale would be better, but that does not work due to the difference in volatility. Still, it is reasonable to conclude that historically these gaps tend to close. The S&P 500 future declined 18% in 2022 until September 6, while Bitcoin dropped 60% during the same period. So it makes sense to assume that if investors operate forex assets will outperform during a rally. There are other factors that are in play too, so there is no way to predict the outcome, but the return of investor appetite for risk will justify Bitcoin outperforming the stock market and significantly reduce the performance difference. Pro-traders were not expecting Bit Pro-traders were not expecting Bitcoin to bounce. Bearish traders will liquidate on 100 million in future contract. The highest figure since June 13. Typically, one would not expect this outcome considering Bitcoin had lost leading to September, but one could assume that short sellers were caught by surprise as the exchange liquidation and niche scramble to buy those orders. However, notice how retail-driven exchange represent were forcefully closed, while their combined market share on Bitcoin future is 30%. The data leave no doubt that the wells at OKX were the ones being squeezed. Another interesting piece of data that set September 10% pump apart is Bitcoin dominance, which measures its market share versus all other cryptocurrencies. Notice peak from 39% to the present 40%, something ancient science may place crash below $26 It took another 31 days for the bear market to break. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.